Wandering Canucks are in Abaco and we're in Marsh Harbour, and we've had a pleasant stay the last few days at the Conch Inn and Marina. So we're just going to give you a quick look at this. Some parking down here, little waiting area. In behind that is a heated pool, barbecue, hot tub. Very nice. Office is in here. Accommodations are over here and in another building to our left above the office. We had a king room up here on the back side, and it was clean, comfortable, a little bit noisy at night, could do with a bit better soundproofing, but for a few days it was excellent. They do have a guest laundry over here, and I'm sure some of that caters to all the boats because they do have a marina here with about 73 berths, and it is quite busy. We also have snappas. Snappas here is the world famous snappas at the Conch Inn and Marina in Abaco restaurant. We've eaten here a couple of times and had good service, had great meals, hot. You know, it's your basic fries, sandwiches, hamburgers, chicken, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. Lots of these boats here are available to rent, but it's a real mariner's haven, if you will, and service center it seems. So quite interesting. Anyway, give us a like. We're the Wandering Canucks in Abaco, Marsh Harbour, Bahamas.